Hey guys, I just got this DND Nail supply package and I ordered some nail polish. I've been doing my nails since COVID-19 started, and I've come a long way and I have quite a big collection now, so I'm going to start showing off some videos of me doing my nails and my supplies. I got this color Sun Patch. It's a cat eye color. It's really pretty. I like the cat eye effect to it. I'm not really good at the cat eye yet, but that's just me playing around with it. This one, Wanna Be Yours. It's so pretty. I thought it was going to be more of like a pinker color, but it's more like peachy. It's still pretty. I like the cat eye part to it, but yeah, I'm not very good at it. This next color is like a dark green. I'm going to use this one for Christmas. I really like this one. It kind of went on a little bit weird, so I had to like go over it a couple times, but the cat eye effect really looks pretty on this one. Now this one right here is called Chartreuse Cat, and it also says DC Cat Eye, but like what? It's not working. I don't know if I like ordered something wrong, or I don't even know. And it flooded my cuticles really bad. I had to redo it a bunch of times. This one right here, oh my god, Cinder Shoes. Beautiful. This one right here is just a cute little blue.